Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. With every exhalation, repeat, relax, relax, relax. And now, mentally repeat 3 times, I am receptive, I am receptive, I am receptive. Now silently, repeat each affirmation after me, or simply listen to my voice and just imagine you speaking and allowing the energy of it to go into every cell of your body, your subconscious, and into your cellular memories and DNA. I am now entering a powerful new cycle of my life. My inner state is becoming calmer and clearer every day. I am receptive to new opportunities and aligned actions. My subconscious is working in my favor. I trust my inner intelligence completely. I naturally take the right actions at the right time. My emotional state naturally supports my success. I now let go and release the need to struggle or force outcome and allow effortless way of success into my life. I operate from clarity in every area of my life. My body and mind are beautifully aligned and cooperating beautifully. I feel grounded, present, and stable from within. I respond to life with awareness and positivity. My beliefs are upgrading effortlessly. I now attract people and situations helping me grow in every area of life. I respect my body and mind, and I experience beautiful states of rest and rejuvenation. I am becoming more focused and disciplined. My energy is clean, calm, and powerful. I now trust the timing of my life. I allow success to unfold naturally. I am aligned with the intelligence of this magnanimous universe. This year unfolds with clarity, growth, and beautiful fulfillment and amazing success. Let these words settle down into your cellular memories, subconscious, and every aspect of your being. Repeat this meditation daily for 21 days. And remember, your subconscious responds to repetition.